Hello friends, myself Mrs. Pratibha Sonone, faculty from Shri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandals, Rasiklal M. Dhariwal College of Pharmacy, Chinchod, Pune. Today we are going to discuss about chemical nature of crude drugs, that is resin and resin combination. In last videos we have already discussed about glycosides, alkaloids, tannins, terpenes, terpenoids and volatile oils. So today we will go further for resin and resin combination. After watching this video, you will be able to understand what are resins and resin combination, their occurrence and distribution, properties, extraction methods and identification test for the resins and resin combination. First, we will have a look on resins. What are resins? Resins are the amorphous products of complex chemical nature. That is, the term resin is applied to more or less solid amorphous products of complex chemical natures of the plant. These are amorphous mixtures of essential oil, oxygenated products of terpenes and carboxylic acids found as exudations from the trunk of various trees. Resins, these are the amorphous mixtures of essential oils. When you give a cut to the trunk of the plant or the tree, that time a liquid oozes out from the trunk of the tree. It is called as a resins. Here are some examples of resin. For example, capsicum, asafoetida, balsam, then myrrh. These are the examples of resins and resin combinations. Now, what is the difference between resin and resin combination? Resins are amorphous mixtures of essential oils, oxygenated products of terpenes and carboxylic acid, and found as an exudation from the trunk of trees. Whereas resin combination, it is a homogeneous combinations of resins with other plant products like volatile oil, gum, etc. are known as resin combinations. Occurrence: mostly all natural resins occurs from the plant sources. Distribution in plants: resins are available in different parts of plant such as rhizome, example is ginger, fruits, example is capsicum, plant exudates, example is myrrh and asafoetida, root, example is jalap, seed, example is kaladana, and flower. Now what is the classification of these resins? Depending upon the type of the constituents of the resins, they are further divided into different categories. First one is acid resin, second ester resin, and third resin alcohols. Acid resins, for example, colophony. These are the resins which are present along with their acids. Example is myrrh. Second is ester resin. This group contains esters as chief constituents of resins. For example, benzene, storax, etc. Benzene contains benzyl benzoate and cinnamyl cinnamate, while storax contains ethyl cinnamate and cinnamyl cinnamate. Third class is resin alcohol. The contents are complex alcohols of high molecular weight. They are either found in free state or as esters. The examples of resin alcohols is balsam of Peru with Peru resinotanol and Gurjan balsam with Gurjar resinotanol and guaicicum resin with guaiac-resinol. The homogeneous combinations of resins with other plant products like volatile oils and gums, etc., are known as resin combinations. So, these resin combinations are divided into different categories, that is, resin and volatile oils are present in homogeneous mixtures are called as oleoresins. Oleo means volatile oils and resins are present with homogeneous mixture with each other. For example, Canada balsam, ginger and capsicum. Secondly, oleogum resins. Here, the homogeneous mixtures of volatile oil, that is oleo, gum plus resin. Example is guggul, asafoetida and mead. Third class is glycoresin. They are made up of resins and sugars and are present in jalap and turpentine. If resins contains benzoic acid and or cinnamic acid, it is called as a balsam. Example is balsam of Tolu, storax and balsam of Peru, benzoin. Resins, example is Gatta Purcha. We have already discussed about oleoresin, oleogum resin, glycoresin and balsam. What are the different properties of this? Is on heating they get softened and finally melt. Resins and resin combinations, they are insoluble in water and usually insoluble in petroleum ether but dissolves more or less completely in alcohol, chloroform and ether. Chemically, resins are complex mixtures of resin acids, resin alcohols which is also called as resinols, resin phenols which is also called as resinotanols, esters and chemically inert compounds known as resins. Resins burn with a characteristic smoky flame. Resins are often associated with volatile oils which is also called as oleoresins. With gum it is called as gum resins and with oil and gum it is called as oleogum resins, which we have already discussed. Now how the extraction and isolation of resins is done. Pharmaceutical resins are obtained from plants by one of the given methods. First one, by extraction with alcohol and precipitation with water. Example is jalap, podophyllum, capsicum resin, ginger resin. Second method is by distillation for separation of oil. Example is colophony. Third method, by heating plant part. Example is guaiacum. Fourth one is as plant exudates by incision. Example is myrrh, asafoetida, balsam. And last method is by collecting fossil resins. Example is kauri. Now what are the therapeutic effects and pharmaceutical applications of these resins? Therapeutically, resins are used for several purposes such as expectorants, antiseptic and flavoring agents pharmaceutically. They are also used in perfumery industries. Resins are obtained from plants as well as animals. Shellac is the pharmaceutically important resin of animal origin. These resins that are also used in the production of varnishes, adhesives and glazing agents. They provide constituents of essence and perfumes. It is used to flavor wine. A glazing agent is a natural or synthetic substance that provides a waxy, homogeneous coating to prevent water loss from a surface and provide other protection.